Hello future CAs. By now you know ICA has released model trouble papers. Almost 8 papers have been released for each subject of foundation interfinal, and the minute I looked at it also I got scared. Hey, what is this? ICA released this. Then immediately students started saying, okay fine, whatever it is, we have to solve these papers before we go to exam. And all the faculties, everybody will tell, hey, these are all not new questions, all these are already available in my question bank, it's available in my book. The honest truth, guys, I'm going to simplify it for you. The honest truth is that it is not available in all question banks. The source is ICA material is the source, guys. Any book in India, if you take, ICA is the Bible. From ICA's past exam papers of 2000, 2005, it comes in all these question banks. Even my law workout book, my accounts question book, our WOW subscription, all questions, whoever puts any material across India, they have taken it from some of the ICA sources, at least what comes in RTP, MTP and these workout books. Now, here what are we going to do? From CA Classroom, I'm going to give you the real truth, guys. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about advanced accounting model test papers. Don't have to panic how I'm going to cover it for you. And same way, all the 6 subjects of CA Inter from CA Classroom, we will give it to you, guys. Now look at this. If you take advanced accounting, I'm calling it MDTP to avoid confusion. Model test paper 1 is nothing but copy paste of May 2024 MTP series 1. Model test paper 2 is copy paste of May 24 MTP series 2. Like this they have done for 8 papers. Model test paper 3 is mix of previous RTPs. Model test paper 6 is Jan 25 or model test paper 8 is September 24 previous year paper. Hold on, pause this video, take a screenshot of this. But you will not have time to go and refer to all these sources. You will not have time to refer to these 8 papers, 8 into 6 subjects, whatever the number comes, that many question papers. Who has the time, man? Daily one paper you solve itself, it's a trouble for you. So you don't have to take the stress. We faculties will take the stress for you. That is why in our WOW subscription workout batch, guys, for each of the subject, now I'm going to talk about advanced accounting because this video is about advanced accounting model test paper. We will make similar videos for direct tax, audit, SM, etc. In new syllabus, ICA study mat, all sums, practical test your knowledge question, all questions, all RTP, MTP of new syllabus, all past exam of new syllabus, and these 8 model test papers, we will be solving it chapter wise, properly solving it in class in our WOW subscription for advanced accounting, guys, and for all the subjects. So if you have not yet checked out WOW subscription, if you need practice, here you go, this is about it. So again, let me conclude by saying model test papers, I do not know why I say I wanted to give something like this. My reason is, in old syllabus, old syllabus, there used to be something called practice manual. Old students will know this. Practice manual, ICA used to have that. Now they don't have that. So now they're releasing something like this. So don't panic, guys. It's very simple. Sir, what are the new questions in this model trouble papers? I will keep sharing it. If there are any new questions also, separate videos will come to all of you guys. So that's about it. Thank you. Let me know in the comments what all you need. We'll keep giving it to you guys. Keep studying. All the best for the exams. Thank you.